top of the... howdy, y'all. Thomas here with Much Props, going to give you another how-to video. This time we are going to build something technically from Subnautica, but it's also a YouTuber's mascot. I've been watching Jacksepticeye play Subnautica for quite a while, and was really impressed with the game, so much so that I bought it and got addicted to it a little bit. But if you've never played it, it's an awesome game. That being said, within the game there is a toy of Jacksepticeye's Septic Sam. And I thought, what better thing to do than pay tribute to the person who got me addicted to it and pay tribute to the game at the same time. So we are going to build Septic Sam from Subnautica with our own twist. Let's get to building. and we are finished. Here is the end result. Overall, pretty pleased with the outcome. It's not exactly 100% accurate. I realize most of my props aren't. The globe we just found at like a garage sale, so it was like, I think, 50 cents. And it just so happened that this kind of was close to the container that Sam sits in Subnautica. The original light I was going to use, if you see on the bottom, the battery pack perfectly fit right there, so you could actually flick it on and off, but I didn't really think it was bright enough, so I got puck lights, and they came with these remotes for each puck light, which is kind of cool. So you can actually turn on your Septic Sam with remote control. I don't think Subnautica does that. And if you don't want it to be nice and calm, you know, you can rave it up. Cool, cool, cool. Or you can mellow it out a little bit. Or even just make it greener. Maybe you'll try and make one of these yourselves and impress your friends or even Jacksepticeye with your Septic Sam building skills. So much so that he wants one of his very own. I mean, if he wants it, he can have it. Just hit me up. Maybe you'll get some.
Nice one, bruh!
And inevitably, they're gonna ask you, how'd you make that? You can give them one of these. Tell them, much props. You want to go do something cool, Sam? Maybe rave it up? Okay, go to sleep.